Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I've decided to share with you people a lot of things regarding English. So if you want to hear it and if you want to learn from my video, then watch this video till the end. My friend, I've heard from many people and watched their video. They claim that they started speaking this language within 1 week. Can you believe? How can anyone speak English language within 1 week? It can never ever be possible. To be honest, because I tried a lot, many people tried a lot and they couldn't. But few people on social media and even when I practice and connect with some people, they say that I've been practicing for only 1 week. But my friends, how can it be possible? Here we have been trying for years and years, and others they are claiming, they are saying that they started speaking English language within 1 week. I think something magical happened with them. But my friend, we should not believe on them. We should believe in hard work and in slow and steady progress. So if you are practicing every single day or if you practice every single day, my friend, don't worry. You will start speaking this language because it takes time. If someone is saying that they could learn speaking English within few days, so let them say, don't get disappointed. They share this kind of things and they don't think that how it will impact on someone's mind. My friend, I think that it can disappoint many people, many learners, that if they can speak this language within 1 week, then why can't I? And thinking so they feel disappointed because they try and they fail. But here I want to share with you that it takes time. If you want to become a fluent English speaker, then it can take years and years. So be ready. Don't get disappointed if you hear from someone that they could speak this language within few days. My friend, we should not believe in shortcut. Maybe in our life sometime it could be possible to get something from shortcut, but most of the things we can achieve by doing hard work. We should believe in hard work. If you are ready to do hard work, no one can stop you from getting fluency. And that fluency will stay with you for forever. But if you are learning within few days, maybe you can forget also. You are learning instantly. You are learning fast way. So maybe you can forget also if you stop practicing. But I would say that let the people say that they started speaking this language in 1 week. But if you want to speak this language very fluently, then you should believe in hard work. My friend, our ancestors, they were believing in hard work. They were believing in patience. They were believing in consistency. So here, we also need to believe in the same thing. We should not believe in shortcut. That okay, I can learn speaking English within few days. I can be successful overnight. No, it won't be possible because what is the universal truth? It can be applicable every time and everywhere. You can never ever deny the universal truth. What is universal truth? If you work hard and if you are consistent, you can achieve anything. But if you believe in shortcut, my friend, you can be disappointed and you may achieve success and you may not achieve success. So that is why we should believe in slow and steady process and slow and steady success. And if you start believing in these kind of things, you will be happy and you will enjoy the process also. But my friend, if you believe that anyone can speak English language within 1 week, you will start beating yourself up. You will start bothering yourself for the thing which is impossible. So we should not believe if someone is saying that you can speak English language within 1 week. and even in 1 month also. अगर आप एक बिगिनर हैं तो आप 1 मंथ से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को समझने में लेंगे. Okay, so how can you think that you can become a fluent English speaker within 1 week? My friends, you should never ever believe on such kind of things. If you want to be happy, if you want to get success, because many people will come and will tell you that do this one, do that one, because here you are going to get instant result. But we should believe in slow and steady process. My friend, today I decided to record my video in afternoon, but it was raining, so I postponed. I thought maybe tomorrow I can do, but once again I saw that rain stopped, so I came on my roof and now I'm recording my video because I have to be consistent. Yes, sometimes we can break the consistency, but most of the time we should try to be consistent. If you are practicing, you should practice every single day. Just practice few minutes, just read few minutes, just speak few minutes, you know. So if you appear for few minutes, so it will also add as you grow in this language. So it will also compound and it will add and it will give you great result. So I would say that don't believe in instant results, believe in hard work, do hard work, study every single day or read every single day, practice, and then you will see that you will be able to speak English language fluently and effortlessly. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.